A lot of you guys have asked me and said, Gerald, I have an account on Fiverr and I'm not making any money. Now, the problem is that a lot of you guys are going for gigs that are very, very, very competitive. These are gigs that have a very high number of people offering the same service, right? And the demand for it is very low. Let me show you guys exactly what I mean. If you come on Fiverr right now and you search for a service like logo, right? Logo design, and hit enter, you're going to see the fact that there are 282,000 services available. So you that is creating a logo design gig right now, you're going to be competing with 282,000 other gigs that are here before you. And most of them have reviews, they have good reviews. They've been here for a while. They are level 2 sellers, level 3 sellers, and level whatever sellers, right? They are well established. So you are going to have a hard time competing with these individuals who has been here before you because they have the first timers advantage. So you've seen it, right? So what you need to do? So what you need to do is to basically find a gig, a service that have very low competition, right, but very high demand. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be showing you guys one of those such gigs. And the gig I'm going to be showing you in today's video, it's something that you could just set up right now and you practically don't need to do anything, because at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you an app that you can download on your phone. I'm going to go show you guys on my phone right now. We'll download it, and this app will actually help us get the job done on Fiverr. So what's going to happen is that you create a Fiverr account, you set up your gig, right, in this particular unit I'm going to be talking about, right, and when somebody pays you to actually do something for them, you use this app on your phone and get the job done in just less than 10 seconds, right, and it's done, and you submit this job to this particular person on Fiverr and get paid on Fiverr, right? I'm going to be walking you guys through step by step everything in today's video: how to set up your account on Fiverr, how to set up this gig, how to download this app, and actually how to use this app to actually make money on Fiverr, guys, right? So this is a full tutorial on how to actually make money on Fiverr. So it's important for you to watch video to the very end. Do not miss any step, because that step you are missing might actually be the one that is going to change your life, right? Don't assume that you know this or you know this. So watch the video from beginning to the very end. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Joe. I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So that said, let's go to my screen right now and let me show you guys how to get paid $560, right, on Fiverr, doing nothing, practically nothing, right? Just using this app that I'm going to be introducing to you guys somewhere in this video, guys. And let's go. So the first things first, we're going to start at the very beginning. To set up a Fiverr account, what you need to do is to click on the first instruction box below, right? That link is going to be giving you a discount if you actually go through it, right? So you're going to click on that link and it's going to bring you to an interface that looks exactly like this. Is Fiverr's homepage, Fiverr's interface. So when you are here, what you need to do is to click on the join now button, put in your email address right here and hit continue and complete the process. Now what's going to happen is that I'm going to be making a detailed video probably by next week, a detailed video on how to actually set up a Fiverr account. I'm not going to be doing that now because I already have a Fiverr account, and Fiverr frowns at you having two accounts. So if I try setting up another one right here right now, they're going to match my IP with the other one and I'm going to block my account. So you are only allowed to have one account on Fiverr, right? By next week, I'm going to be creating a separate video on how to actually set up a Fiverr account for you guys, right here. So what you need to do is to put in your email address right here, put in continue and complete the process. Now, once you have joined Fiverr, you are going to come to an interface like this one, right? And the next thing you need to do is actually set up this gig that I'm talking about. So before I get into it, if you actually new on my channel, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So I will encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video if you are getting any value. Subscribe to my channel and most importantly, turn on the notification bell button so that when I drop more videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube will send you a notification. Now that said, I'm gonna come here right now and search for, let me show you guys something real quick. I'm gonna come here right now and search for maths, right, and hit enter. Now this is very important. I'm going to be explaining. Now for logo, we had over 280,000 services. For this particular gig, there are only 4,466 services available, right? So you have a fighting chance right here. You can actually fight with these guys that are here right now and make a killing. Now let me show you guys an example of how much that you can actually make doing this before I explain how it works. Now let's take a look at this guy. Right click, open a new tab. Right click, open a new tab. Let's say right click and open a new tab. Let's use this three as a case study. Basically, so this guy right now, I will math tutor, science tutor, online tutor, math teacher, virtual math tutor, etc. Right now, this guy sells his basic for $10. his standard for $15 and his premium for $20. Now let's do this mathematics with the standard. And I've told you guys before now that from experience, from my personal experience, most people that you do job for don't give you reviews, right? But we want to be very conservative and use this particular one right here. He has 29 reviews and 2 others in queue, which is 31. 31 multiplied by 15 should give us an idea of how much this guy has made on this gig alone, right? 31 multiplied by 15 is giving us, this guy has made about $465 on this gig alone, right? On this gig alone on Fiverr. So, and we're being conservative. Now, let's take a look at this one. This guy has 32. 32 multiplied by 20, which is his standard. 32 multiplied by 20, right, is giving us $640, right? So this second guy, from solving math questions, will answer your math problem with complete solution, right? Step-by-step solution. This guy has made over $600 doing this. Now, this third guy right here, I will be your math tutor in algebra, blah, 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 and everything. And this guy here right now is also doing the same thing. And guess what? This guy is from my country, right? And he has made, he has 21 reviews. And his standard is 25. So 25 multiplied by 21, 21 multiplied by 25 would give you, this guy has made at least $500 on this gig alone. So how do you do this? Now I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way, an app that will help you actually just get the math question. Take a picture of the math question with your phone. When you write it down, take a picture with it on your phone, and the app is going to solve the math question and give you step-by-step guide, and you return this to the person on Fiverr and you get paid, right? But before we get into it, let me show you guys how to create this gig on Fiverr before we jump right into it. My account is on buying. I'm going to switch to selling first, right? Because I buy a lot of things on Fiverr these days, So I come to buying right here. Then I come to gigs, and it brings us to this interface. Now, right here, right now, I'm going to come to create a new gig, right? So if you look at Fiverr's terms of service, right, you're going to see right here that it says that Fiverr do not allow academic related services like homework, academic papers, bibliographies, and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, right, and include it in there, so that Fiverr doesn't delete our gig. They don't see it as violating their terms of service, and they'll just knock it off. So what I'm going to do is to come here. This is where I'm writing my stuff inside a notepad, so I can copy it and put it there. Kindly know that it is against Fiverr's terms of service to offer services like further academic services, to offer academic services. This includes but not limited to this. Okay, writing and completing college applications and stuff like this, right? Thank you as I look forward to. Thanks as I look forward to working with you. Right, so I've written my description right here. So let's go and create our gig. I'm just going to come here right now and go to create a gig. Right, this is very important. Create a gig. Now I say I will we are trying to model this. Like I always say, success always leaves clues, right? So look at what people are doing, that the people that are successful, look at what they've done and model the same thing. I will answer your math problem with complete solution. So my own, I'm going to say I will, this is answer me. I will answer your math problem with complete solution in 30 minutes. Right, like I said, I'm going to be showing you an app that's going to do this in just a few seconds for you, right? So 30 minutes is actually like way up there. 30 minutes is just like way up there, just a way of you buying time, just in case something delays you. So which category is this under? It's under lifestyle, then tutor, online tutoring, service type, mass tutoring, right? So what kind of mathematics do you offer? Algebra 2, basic maths. Okay, you can select any three. It's completely fine. So search tags, I'm gonna say maths, teaching. I understand that Fiverr do not. Oh, okay, the is fine. I'm gonna hit save and continue.
right? And it's going to take us to the next page, which is pricing. Now, when it comes to pricing right here, okay, this is loaded. I want to show you guys something real quick. This is okay, beautiful. This is the offering package. Now, if you put this in on, you're going to have these three columns here: basic, standard, and premium. Now, if you come right here right now, you're going to see that these guys have basic, standard, and premium, right? But right now, I'm going to go with basic, right, for the purpose of the tutorial. So that, but for you right now, you can actually go for the three, right? Just offer different things, something slightly different, you know, for a higher price point. So right, I'm going to put this off. Offer package. I will answer all your math questions. Questions. Oh, okay. This is limited. Okay, let's go again and spy and see what people have done. 30 minutes evaluation or trial class. I will help in 7 short questions. Okay. Oh, this is the name of the package. Okay, just call it basic. Sorry, this is the name of the package. I will answer 10 short questions, right? Delivery time, you're delivering in just 1 day, right? That's the list. Length, lesson, I'm going to leave this blank. Number of lessons, I'm going to leave this blank. And blah blah. Price points. Now make your price competitive, right? These people are offering basic for like $10, so you can just make your own a little lower. That's completely fine, right? Or $10, you know, or $5, whichever it is that you want to. You make that decision. So I'm just gonna. But the interesting thing is that you are a new seller, right? On this gig, there are people that are way up there. So what is gonna make your own more attractive is the fact that these guys are offering 7, you're offering 10. What is their delivery time? They're delivering in 3 days. You're delivering in 1 day. You know, so that's an advantage. This guy delivering in 1 day also, 25 minutes, 3 lessons, and blah blah. Right. So I'm just gonna come here right now and say, let's say we are offering length in lessons. Let's say we're offering 30 minutes. Right. A number of lessons. Let's offer 5. Right, exercise supporting materials and blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here and go to save and continue. Right, so this is saving and it's going to take us to the next one, which is description and FAQ. So description, which is what I've written right here inside our notepad document here. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C, copy, come here right now and paste this in. So academic work, okay, I'm just going to highlight all of these ones: homework, academic paper, bibliography, writing and completing college application. These are things that, as I look forward to working with you, Fiverr's terms of service, okay, mathematics, switch, help you switch, maths related, etc. So Grammarly is helping me correct my grammar. Okay, beautiful. This is fine. So I'm just going to go to save and continue. Right, take us to the next stage. So, okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, quick question. Add your question here, right? Free text. This is fine. I click on add, and I click on save and continue. It's going to take us to the next place where we put in our either a video or an image. So if you come here right now, you're going to see that this guy has an image where he actually sat down and explained exactly what he's going to be offering in the video. Now this person have a picture, an image, right? This guy have a video. The guy has an image. So images are easier to do. You can actually sit down and make a video. Videos actually convert better from experience. So I'm just gonna come here and click here. I actually made a video with Canva, right? This is an image with Canva already. So this is it right here. So I'm gonna double tap double tap this and save the image right here. So the image description shows here recommended is 1280 by 769, minimum is 712 by 430. So I'm just gonna come here right now and hit save and continue, right? Save and continue to finish up this process. So save and continue. This is our gallery. It's loading, we're almost there. And it says publish the gig. And once we publish this gig right now, this gig is going to be available automatically on Fiverr's marketplace, right? So what's going to happen is that people are going to come and see this gig, and they actually give us a job, and we do this job. Now, if somebody contacts you right now and gives you a math question to do, right? How do you do this? Now, this is what where it comes to the app, the most important aspect. So somebody comes and gives you a job. How do you perform that job, right? I can do it in less than 10 seconds. I'm going to be showing you an app that I can actually use to do this on my phone right now. So before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button and of course turn on the notification button and subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, because what I do is that I drop awesome videos just like what you're watching right now. I will show you exactly how to make money online, right? The whole idea is for us all to win together. So I draw out there, find out what works, and I come here right there and show you guys exactly what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So that said, let's go to my phone. Let me show you guys how to actually solve these questions on my phone right now, guys.
Now this app is actually available both on Android and iOS, So I'm gonna come here right now, go to Play Store. This is Play Store right here. If you're on an Apple device, of course you know where to go, which is should be your App Store. So I'm just gonna tap Play Store right now and it's opening. Then I come here right now and search for Gout Math. This is the one, Gout, Gauth Math Powerful Calculator. Now for me right now it's showing open because I have this app installed on my phone already, right? So I have it installed on my phone already. So I'm just going to hit open. For you right now, you're going to hit install and install it and all of that. So right now I'm going to hit open, right? I'm going to hit open, which is open here right now, and it's opening. Beautiful. So this is a math question that I've written down, right? So what I'm going to do right now is to actually tap this place where I take pictures from my phone, right? Like I'm going to take a picture. So I'm just going to take a picture of this equation right now. I'll take a picture of it. Right, this is the equation right now. Then I drag this into place, right? Then I click this place, right, where it says enter. So I'm just going to tap it right now. It's going to analyze this equation and give us an answer, right? It doesn't matter how complex the equation is. It's going to analyze it and give us an answer, right? So it's analyzing right now, and this is it right here. It says that the answer is 8, right? The alternative form is 2 raised to power 3, right? Solving steps. This is it right here. Square root of 64. Factor and rewrite the recant of exponential form, right? And this and this and this. You can actually click on this place to show more steps, to show you the complete steps. So click here to actually see more steps. It gives you everything. So the person that has placed an order on Fiverr, right, this is exactly what you're going to send to the person. And once you send it to the person, you're going to get your money and you get a 5-star review instantly, right? Instantly. And guys, that's how easy it is to actually make $560, at least $500 doing this, right? And making money on Fiverr. But basically doing nothing, right? Because you're not doing anything basically. This is basically free money as long as I'm concerned, right? So if you actually want to see a video on how to actually create a Fiverr account, let me know in the comment section, and that most likely is going to be my video tomorrow or next tomorrow, guys. Until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye for me, guys.